Yeah, no trouble till the sea duck season is over. Just try to show a little video of what sea ducks comes around here in the spring now. Some more coming back every spring. Starting to move north now. As far as they can get north yet for the ice net. There's ducks everywhere. Taking video there from my patio. Everywhere you look, there's ducks. Bit shaky here because blue breeze wind, and I got her zoomed in a lot. As far as you can see, it's all ducks. The ice is not very far there. Ducks there. Right on everywhere's like that. Where there's no ice yet, it's covered in ducks. So far as you can see, till the ice gets into the rocks. There. Sorry about the shakiness, but when you zooms in so much, this camera's hard to keep her still. On across, sitting in the rocks. There's no shortage of sea ducks now around now either. The population is increasing steady around here. Every year there's more and more coming back. This is only March yet. April month there'll be way more than that. Just starting to move into the area now, good and thick. I guess that's it for now. I just thought I'd show what I've been doing all day. Sat to the window, most days now, I sat to the window looking out at the ducks. Nose. This rock, I had my brother on there early part of the fall, first day of the season. He was on E now with decoys out. He could have some fun. That's it for now.